good for, say, headings. Okay, let's say that B doesn't really work. If I use a W or a Y or a V, anything that has this kind of like big, see this big negative space here? Okay, it kind of visually, technically, kind of lines up, but it ends up with this big kind of like, I don't know, gap here. So with it selected, I'm going to turn my optical margin alignment on, and you can see the Y hangs out quite a bit now. Now, what you might have to do, depending on the size of your text, you might have to increase this up and down to get a kind of a stronger feel. Okay, so if you go quite low or quite high, it will change depending on the font size you've used. If you use it, and it's just a simple thing to do if this kind of stuff worries you. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, and let's move on to the next video.